Morning, guys. Back here Monday morning. Gonna have a break from the painting. I want to cut in all of the spotlights and then just go round and fill any other spots that I might spot. I'm overthinking it a little bit, but it will drive me crazy if I see them after I finish painting it. And I've got to live here, so yeah, I'm gonna crack on, throw some lights in. Well, the holes anyway. So I went to do this on Friday, but realised I've only got 70mm or a 64, and these lights are actually 65mm. And I don't particularly want to do it 75 or 70mm, sorry. I mean, it would work, but it's just going to be a pain in the ass getting them centralised in the room properly. I don't want the lights to look off from each other. So I'm going to do the 64 and just make the holes bigger where I need them to be. I believe it should be, nice and tight. Don't know how long this field's going to last though. Mark these lights out on Friday. So I'll cut these ones straight out. Just I've got a face full of dust. Just moment of truth if I've got this right or not. We have cables. Woohoo! Bloody hop up, so noisy. Oh, into the cable a bit. Almost dead on. Love it. This is a good one. I know this is massively over the top, but the problem is you could be the world's greatest builder and do the most amazing work, and it's all got to be hidden by the finish. So if you want people to know how good you are, the guy that comes in last has got to be just as good. So yeah, finish is what makes the job, unfortunately. So many people Don't understand that. It drives them crazy. Do things as best as I can, try and make everything perfect, or as close to it. And then if someone comes in and makes a job look terrible by not taking that little extra bit of care in finishing. Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing turning the lights in now and just doing these last little touch-ups before I did the paint, the last coats of paint, is if I mess up on any of these lights and I need to move where they are or something like that, I can make good. Do a coat of the primer paint over the top of the fresh plaster before I've broken into the tubs of the top coat, which is the more expensive paint. So yeah, do this now, make everything perfect, and hopefully I won't have to go over it again. Turning it off from there. It should be 700 from here. Yeah. Good. I know this wall here wasn't straight. It's going to be a pain in the butt. But we get to use my new laser level, which has 3-way laser. That one feels better. Just got to be careful with that bit there. Right, so I've got all the holes cut for the spotlights. Gone round, filled things where I feel like it just needed a little bit of touch up. Come back into this first room I started, and I feel because I could sand it down. Sorry. Now I'm gonna put a first coat of colour in here. This is the grand reveal for you guys. Yeah, it's blue. It comes up really light when you put it on. I don't know if you can see, it's really quite dark once it dries. But you will see once it's finished. Just give it a mix up. Never used this brand of paint before, so I don't know how it's gonna come out, to be honest. But I'll stir. Right, let's go get a brush. Brand new brush. Lovely. All the way from England. It's quite a strange bubbliness to this. I'm not really sure what to make of it. Done for the day. It's been an alright day, I think. got all the little bits I wanted to touched up, cut all the lights out, and got some paint on this room here as well, which I didn't think I was going to get done, to be honest. But so I got the first coat off done in here. If you want, get down in the comments and let us know what you think of the colour. This is going to be like a studio / office for me and Fred. Fred does all our online work videos, so it will look really good, I think, for that. So yeah, let us know what you think. So we're going away from Wednesday, and I won't be here tomorrow to have Slovakian lesson. So it might only be one video this week, but if I can get in here Saturday, I'll do a day of Saturday and I'll record that as well. I'd like to get the last coat of paint done in the hallway living area at least before Monday, because the electrician wants to start doing all the work for the kitchen. So I don't really want to be painting that whilst he's trying to work, because he's not going to be impressed. Other than that, yeah, I'm quite happy with what I got done today. Quite like the colour in here. It wasn't a bad paint either. It's just a paint from Obi, and it covered quite well, I think, for the first coat. Obviously, it will look better once there's a second coat up there, but yeah, it's getting there. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.